on, my Sasamoto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Here is another video. Golly, she is freaking dirty. She's so dirty from the night that I rode. There were so many bugs out in the highway. But today is a brand new video. I guess you get to see her dirty, and then maybe later on clean her up and do an after video. But I want to go ahead and yeah, do another video on this because we're going to go ahead and ride out. We're going out to the other side of Orlando, and as you can tell, it is a gorgeous day here in Florida. Woo! I'm looking forward to riding. So we're gonna go all the way to the other side of town. I need to gas her up first before we go. So yeah, we're gonna meet up with my boy Tay Day. He is selling his bike today at noon. We're going to get our last ride in with that bike. Eventually he's gonna have a surprise for us. He hasn't told us. We're gonna go ahead, ride out, enjoy the day. Sunday fun day. Y'all want to hear that cold start? Huh, baby girl? You want to hear the cold start? She wants to do a cold start. She's like, yeah, let's do it, baby. Let's do the cold start. Come on, play with me. Golly, she's dirty. She's a dirty little girl. You're right. Let's hear that cold start, baby. Listen to that purr. Oh, yeah, every time. She sounds so good. I'm telling you, ever since I put in that Austin Racing exhaust, this thing sounds so massive. Good Lord Almighty, she needs a cleaning. She is dirty. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and get this ride in. We are definitely going to need some gas. So we're going to be stopping at the gas station. Get my baby some juice, her morning coffee. I rode her to Ace Cafe and back and never filled her up. So let's get it. Woo! Yeah! Oh, it is so beautiful out today in sunny Florida. Yes, baby, let's get this. I gotta figure out how to get to, we're going all the way to the other side of town. How you doing, sir? Cruiser, say what's up. We're gonna go straight this time because I need to gas up. I am super duper excited. It's gonna be amazing. I feel like a kid going to Christmas or shopping at Toys R Us that doesn't exist online or something. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, we're going the same route, buddy. What is good, my Sasamoto family? Yo, y'all showed me mad love on that previous video when I went to Ace Cafe. One of the people suggested that I should do like a ride, restaurant, cafe, you know, kind of go out and do the whole dinner thing. And I might just do that, like try out different restaurants, different places to eat, different places to chill, etc. So I don't know, let me post down in the comments, what is it you guys would like to see? You guys see more of the bike, more of me meeting up with people, which I might do a mixture of things, but give me some more ideas, guys. Post down in the comments, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, oh, this is it. Ah, it smells like eggs. It's like smell like somebody farted, ran, and said, "Who done it?" Ooh, nurse, I'm having a heart attack. She is empty. Gloop, 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 gloop. Okay. Now we get to feel the new map too, because I put a new map in this. The most recent one was Graves exhaust, which had the closest specs to what I have onto the bike. I have the Austin Racing with a Canon filter, which everybody tells me to get rid of the crap. I don't know why, I'm not sure, but I'm sure that there's better filters out there, but that's the one I was mostly familiar with. I have the Power Commander 5 installed into this beast, and then I just mapped her out to ride the mid-pipe Graves exhaust with an aftermarket filter, and that's the mapping I put in it. She seems to be pretty smooth. I mean, the computer, I guess, is doing its thing, recognizing or whatever, because, you know, Power Commanders are basically just a piggyback to the ECU, which unfortunately we don't have Oh, she does sound a little bit better. The crackling and the popping is a little different. Ah. I wasn't really paying attention to. Throttle feels smoother. I had the mapping for the Akrapovic. We're about to meet up with Tay 2 Wheels, meeting up at his cribbo, meeting with a couple of fellows from OBL, and then we're just gonna ride out. I guess I'm not familiar with these roads that they're gonna hit up, so I'm not gonna go nuts. I may go nuts because I know me. I don't have, mind you, it's not a closed course, so I'm not gonna go nuts. Second of all, I don't have the proper gear, obviously. I'm just wearing a vest, and that's basically it. Maybe I should have worn my leathers. I was kind of back and forth with it because it's going to be hotter. It's going to get hotter out. And yes, I'm riding a crotch rocket. And yes, I'm going to ride like a madman. But there is a but. There is a but. There is. Oh, there's a copper behind me. Am I in trouble? There's a copper behind me. Is he going to turn on his lights? Oh no! Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah. Is he? Oh shit. Well, there goes that idea. Oh man. Good, how you doing, sir?
Got off somewhere else, St. Cloud Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is that when you pass me, you're doing 70, okay? It's a 50 through here. You see your driver license, registration, and insurance.
Absolutely. Can I get off the bike? Can I get off the bike?
Yeah, absolutely. Kickstands on. Well, they told me they're going to hop off and they forget to off their bike. And I was like, oh, God. Where are you headed?
I'm headed to a friend's house.
Okay.
Yeah, it's,
Where is this?
2020.
R1 or 6?
Second? R1.
That pipe looks nice though, man.
Thank you, thank you. It's funny because this came from the UK, yeah. And when I bought it, I was like, "Oh, that's not bad, $8.49."
Yeah. Pounds.
Didn't realize it. I said, "No," and I saw my account clear for so much money. I was like, "No, that sucks."
The conversion will get you. Listen, bro, I'm not gonna give you a ticket, but you just gotta be a little bit more mindful, okay?
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Get you out of here, man.
Hopefully, this is the.
Yeah. You're good, brother. Just hang tight for a second.
Okay. Thank you. Cool cop. He says he's going to give me a warning, which is dope.
Alright, brother, you're good. One more thing, man. In Florida, that's a $1,000 fine now. I'm not sure if you know that.
What is? Oh, the plate?
Yeah, the tag being, it's got to be parallel to the ground.
Okay.
I used to tuck mine back here, so I understand. It's a clean look.
Yeah.
In Florida, they made it a $1,000 fine. It's the same as popping a wheelie now.
Wow.
Do not, man.
I mean, I'm scared to pop wheelies, so I'm not doing that.
Yeah, so I'm not going to give you any shit for it, but just understand that some officer might stop you, some deputy might stop you, man. He'll stroke you that $1,000 ticket.
Absolutely, man. I appreciate it, man. I really do. Thank you so much, man. Have a good day. I cannot believe it. Maybe I should have taken the turnpike. Yo, let's take it easy on this road. Oh, I cannot believe I got pulled over. It's been such a long time since that's happened. And he cut me a break. That would have been ugly. God is good. God is good. Let's take it easy now. I cannot believe I got pulled over. That sucked, but the cop was cool. And I know I was at fault. Absolutely, I was at fault. I was flying down this road. I'm not gonna lie. I was enjoying the new mapping of the bike, and then, bam. I can't with my life right now. What are we gonna do, huh? But man, he cut me a break. Bless his heart, he cut me a break. There he goes. I was like, oh. I fucking caught it, bro. I caught it on the camera. I was like, no. Yeah, it's on the GoPro. He was like,
it's all about content.
Oh, man. All right. There goes Tay-Day, 2 wheels. His last ride on the R1.
Definitely something that the result of that incident, because it's never.
So, any last words you want to say to her before you say goodbye? Before you,
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
But yeah, they got the same feature as Michelin, the drum load. Let's just stop.
that's my boy Mike Myers. He's out. Gonna be doing his thing. Oh man, be safe. There goes Domo with his CBR. Be safe, my man. And there goes Tay-Day 2 wheels, baby. Make sure you guys follow him on YouTube. And he's saying his final goodbyes to his Yamaha R1. So yeah, bittersweet moment, but we had our fun. Tay-Day, you be careful, my man. Peace. And we out.